Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm out at the estates at the Sand Hollow Resort, the St. George Parade of Homes. Up there is a home that I'm going to run you through really quick. There's a lot of people in it, so it's hard to get video without people in it. This home is listed for $3.8 million. It includes all of the home furnishings in it. It's 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, built by Platinum Construction, and it does have 4-car garage, and one of them is a big oversized toy garage that has a 13-foot ceiling. So with Sand Hollow Reservoir about 10 minutes away, it's the perfect spot to put a big boat. Anyway, thank you for subscribing, supporting my channel, and make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.